Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting with Nasdaq here, as you can see, of course, the fib levels for an expanding flat here are broken, so eliminated. And we said, of course, if we take this level here, this high, meaning confirmation for higher. Now we saw a little bit higher, but of course we are mean with higher here, of course, an ending diagonal at least. And if this is an ending diagonal, well, okay, this is a very aggressive wave forward. What's going on with it, right? So if this is a wave forward, don't forget that we took here the high just right now with it, and we might have topped here. We have to be careful in case that we break this level and we move downward. We gotta be careful with it because it might turn into something corrective here, and it might be, of course, something moving for lower after getting one more high here. And that means this might turn the whole correction here, the whole thing as a simple correction, A, B, and a C, or I would say W, X, and a Y. But very, very far possibility still. I think that is a little bit more higher here, even if not the diagonal like very aggressive. It might be a little bit kind of like inclined. But the things are very aggressive moving down right now. I don't know why. So basically, how to know that we are invalidated? You take the highs here parallel, taken from there, and we bring it to the low here. So if we break this channel, and that means, of course, the wave 4 becomes longer than the wave 2, invalidated directly. So we gotta watch it. Yeah. So we took the confirmation for higher, meaning should be one more leg to the upside. But if this is gonna continue aggressively breaking this, okay, it's gone. Yeah. So we're gonna see, of course, the reaction over there if we move continuously again for higher. Yep, so basically that's it for Nasdaq here. We're gonna watch and see. Let me adjust again based on the 1 hour chart here. Okay. Yep, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Be careful from turning into WX and a Y in double zigzag here. Double zigzag, wave X, and we drop down. Okay, we gotta be careful. So it might be a very, very big complex structure here, yeah, as a correction. If this happens, of course. If we see higher prices, okay, the things are continuing with our scenario, bullish toward the upside. But we gotta be careful with this one. All right, so let's watch it. For US 500 here, the same scenario. The difference is that you might still be in an expanding flat here, A, B, and a C. So we gotta be careful with this one, unless, of course, we end up here in something like ending diagonal, potentially somehow like this in zigzags, right? And but yeah, if we take this low invalidation, we drop down. We gotta be careful. You are in a perfection here for wave B in an expanding flat, and that means, of course, and definitely this is a 3 waves, right? So obviously W, X, and a Y can be here in double zigzag. So we gotta be careful. It might be a bigger correction here, even bigger W, X, and a Y in, let me check this one. If we, even you cannot take it as diagonal here. I'm trying, but yeah, it's not possible. I'm trying to see, of course, if we have topped here as ending diagonal, but this I think is not really possible. Let me check. I think it is well, exactly at it. Very interesting. We might have topped, but let me check also one more thing just to make sure that wave 5 is not longer than wave 3. If that is the case, we will call it wave 5 diagonal. Sorry. Yeah, it's longer than wave 1. No, it's not a diagonal. Yeah, so wave 5 is longer than wave 3, so it is not definitely a diagonal. Therefore, if this is gonna be broken, guys, if this trend is gonna be broken, we drop down. We finish in 3 waves. And then, of course, we drop down, and then later on we correct, and that means the whole thing is gonna transform to something W, X, and Y, very complex structure. So yeah, unless we see higher prices, we need to continue this trend upward. Yeah. That was it for Nasdaq, and for SPX here. Let's watch this trend. It is the key level for this video. And we'll see, of course, next what it might be the price action. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one.